Lucid Motors just released their new sound system promotional video. We had the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell addressing interest rates, and the markets had a quick end-of-the-day bullish rally ending with a pullback. In this video, we'll go over the promo video, Federal Reserve interest rates, and finishing it off with some CCIV price action. If you're invested or thinking of investing into CCIV, you don't want to miss this video. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. If you're new to investing or unhappy with your current trading platform, try Webull. Get 2 free stocks with Webull if you deposit $100 or more. Click on the Webull link under the description below. If you would like to join our private Discord server where I share tons of market insight and personal trades, click on the Patreon link under the description. Let's start off with the sound system promo video.
From the beginning, we aspired to get the most out of this vehicle from an in-car audio standpoint. We have a lot of people in the company that are audio enthusiasts, especially around automobile. The Lucid immersive system is really about this further evolution of dimension and depth. It's not only about front to rear or left to right, it's also up and down. So we have the ability to position sounds, position tone, whether that's music or vehicle signals and sounds, anywhere in space, front, back, side to side, up and down with movement. And I think that's what makes it truly unique, because we always look at the automobile as like, it's a captive environment. You know, short of having a sound booth at home or wearing a high-end set of headphones, the automobile is really like a captive sound chamber. So to be able to partner up with a technology partner like Dolby means a lot.
It was very obvious to us that Lucid was trying to do something different and trying to do something that was unique to the automotive experience. The way that Lucid has approached the automobile, and a lot of what I understand from a design and the creative side, very much resonates with Dolby's approach to experiences. We are creators creating things for other creators. And Dolby Atmos is an immersive experience that allows creatives, musicians, artists to do things they've never done before. With Atmos, we're giving creatives a whole new way of thinking about audio, to where they now just think about audio in space. When they hear it, it is always this whoa, like you get some pretty awesome reactions. Usually one of the next questions we get from them will be, this is great, so when can I listen to this in my car?
The automobile is a unique space to curate. From a design standpoint, we put so much focus on the materials and the space of the interior, the color, and all the senses. We've had to be super meticulous about the placement of hardware, speaker positions throughout the vehicle, and all of that's been done to be very hidden and discreet. You'll notice in the interior of the Lucid Air, there's not big polished metal speaker grills and things like. Everything's very much hidden away and subtle, because we want the sound to lead, not the hardware. The other side of that goes beyond the music and more into the sounds that the car makes. So all of the signals, warnings, indicators, and how the car communicates back to you, we're able to control those sounds and really design that to be immersive. For example, you know, if someone in the rear seat's not wearing the seatbelt chime comes on, but it comes on coming from that back corner. Or when we start up the car and the startup sequence comes to life, it doesn't just come to life in front of you, it comes to life all around you. So you're dimensionally immersed in the sounds that the vehicle itself makes. And so that's a big part of it.
I think Lucid is going to inspire a whole new way for creatives within the auto industry and beyond to do new things within an automobile, whether it be entertainment or driver safety, etc.
So what we do here is that we take one of our immersive car sounds. In this case, we work on the mock-up of a seatbelt sound, designing in Dolby Atmos. And in this room, we simulate the full in-car experience. And on this side, you see the immersive audio architecture that we've created. We designed it to be like a recording studio. It can handle hundreds of sounds and sources simultaneously.
We can't wait for people to hear it. We can't wait for people to experience it. The Lucid Air Dolby Atmos experience is going to be one that is truly going to blow people away. And I think it really is going to get people excited about music in ways that maybe they haven't been in a long time. This is going to be one of those moments where people really are going to remember the first time they experienced this.
When I pulled the calendar last week of Lucid Motors Catalyst, I didn't think much about this sound system catalyst. This is one catalyst that is not going to move the markets, but it was very cool to see what they are doing with the sound system. This car is going to feel like a theme park ride. Powell holds dovish line as Fed signals zero rates through 2023. Let the games continue. Bulls for years until they change their minds about the interest rates. Let's take a look at some CCIV price targets. This is a 5-minute chart. CCIV gapped down today and opened at 29.67. It chopped in the first hour and a half of trading and settled around 28.50. Just like the rest of the market, CCIV was sideways during this time, waiting on the Federal Reserve interest rate news. Markets reacted bullish on this dovish news and ran up. Towards the end of the day, CCIV pulled back down to around the open. Markets have been choppy and sluggish with odd price action across the board. The options premiums are getting crushed. Make sure to buy some time if you plan on buying options during these times. The casino continues to collect the premium if you're playing the short-term options. This is an option seller's market. If we take a look at the dailies, CCIV is sitting on my 10-day moving average. Another doji candle killing the bulls and the bears evenly. The market seemed to want to tire everyone out with these games. We have stimulus approved and interest rates staying at zero, and the markets are not flinching. They continue to move in a staccato manner with out of the blue knee-jerk reactions followed by reversals and ending at the end of the day right where they started. We need to have some patience while the market decides what it would like to do. The short volume ratio is rising and it is at 22%, and no new institutional buying for a few weeks now. I just opened my new store. If you would like to support this channel, take a look and pick up a t-shirt. Click on the link under the description to go to my store. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video or found this information useful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity.